Most creators spend months guessing what kind of channel to build, testing ideas, failing, and starting over week after week. But the real challenge is not simply choosing a niche. It is understanding the audience, finding the right topics, crafting stronger hooks, structuring better scripts, and uncovering the full playbook behind a successful YouTube channel. The channels already winning are not guessing. They are following a proven formula. And in this video, I'll show you how to turn NotebookLM into a content engine that decodes that formula from any monetized channel in minutes, from the audience and topics to the hooks, script structure, and overall content strategy. Then, once you have the formula, you can use it to create complete cinematic videos, produce them in bulk, and automate almost the entire process. Welcome to AIPreneur. Let's break down the system and build it step by step. Step 1, find the winning channel. The whole system only works if you start with the right channel. So open YouTube and find a channel in whatever niche you want to work in. For this whole video, I am going to use one example so you can follow along start to finish. Psychology and human behavior. It is one of the best faceless niches right now. The videos are calm, cinematic, story-driven, and people come back for the next one every single time. But everything I show you works for any niche. So whether you are into finance, history, or relationships, just follow the same steps with your channel. So search for something like psychology of people or human behavior on YouTube and look at the channels that come up. What you are looking for is a channel that is already proven, consistent uploads, strong view counts, and one you can verify is actually monetized. You are not cloning a channel that is guessing. You are cloning a channel that already cracked the code. Quick honest note, do not pick the biggest channel in your niche with 10 million subscribers. Pick a channel that is growing fast, faceless, and clearly following a repeatable formula. Those are the ones worth modeling because their success comes from the system, not from a personality you can never copy. You have got your target. Now let us get inside its head. Step 2, decode the winning formula with NotebookLM. Now open a new tab and go to notebooklm.google.com. You can sign in right away with zero setup. Once you are in, click New Notebook. You will land inside a fresh, empty notebook. Think of it like a smart research assistant that helps you create content based on what it learned. Now, go back to the channel you chose. Open their most successful videos, the ones with the highest view counts, and copy the URL of each one. Grab 10 to 15 of their best videos. The more you include, the sharper your results will be. Back in NotebookLM, on the left side, you will see a section called Add Sources. Click Add Source, choose the website option, and paste in all the video links you just copied. Paste them all at once. Then click Insert. NotebookLM will now start loading and reading every one of those videos. Give it a moment. It is doing real analysis in the background. While it loads, click the title at the top and name this notebook something clear, like Channel Clone plus your niche, so you stay organized as you build more of these. Now this is where it gets exciting. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a chat box. Click it and paste this first prompt. That analyzes the top performing videos of this channel and hit enter and watch what happens. NotebookLM reads every single video you gave it and extracts the formula behind the channel. In a few seconds, it comes back with the full playbook. For our psychology channel, it shows you exactly who the audience is. People trying to understand themselves and others. It shows the winning topics, the calm, reflective tone, how the hooks open with a relatable inner struggle, and how every script follows the same shape, a problem, an insight, then a reframe that makes the viewer see themselves differently. Now, still inside the same chat, type this next prompt. NotebookLM gives you 10 name ideas, each with a quick explanation. Pick the one that resonates most, or use them as inspiration for your own. Once you have your name, keep going in the same chat and type this. And just like that, you have 10 ready-to-go video ideas. These are not random. They are built on the formula of a proven monetized channel, which means they already have a much higher chance of performing well. You now hold the exact formula behind a channel that already makes money. It's time to turn it into scripts. Step 3, turn the formula into scripts. Now, this is where we go beyond what most people are doing. Instead of using NotebookLM to create one basic script at a time, we're going to take the proven formula we just uncovered, give it to Claude, and use it to generate complete, natural-sounding scripts that match the channel's exact style. So open Claude and start a new chat. Paste in the channel formula breakdown NotebookLM gave you in step 2. Then paste in the video ideas you want to use. Now paste this prompt, hit generate. Claude writes full scripts back to back, each one already matching the hook style and pacing of the channel you cloned. Scripts that read as the proven channel wrote them because they are built on that exact formula. At this point, you have the formula, the titles, the ideas, and the scripts. In other words, you've recreated the entire content engine behind a monetized channel. The words are done. Now those words need a look. Step 4, turn your scripts into a visual blueprint. Now, our scripts follow the structure of a proven channel. The next step is making sure your visuals match that same channel style instead of looking random or inconsistent. So stay inside the same Claude chat where the full formula is already loaded and paste this prompt. Then hit generate. Because the formula is still active in that same chat, Claude is not inventing a style from scratch. It uses the exact style cues from the channel you cloned and applies them consistently across the whole production package. Same mood, same energy, and same visual identity. In the end, you get a character reference, all your image prompts and all your video prompts ready to use. Your blueprint is ready, every scene mapped to the cloned style. Now, let us make it real. Step 5, generate the visuals. Now it's time to bring that visual style to life. Open Google Flow and start a new project with your character reference. Copy it from Claude, paste it into the prompt box in Flow's image tab, open the settings, select NanoBanana 2 as your model, pick your ratio, and hit generate. Flow builds your character in one single image that locks the visual identity of the channel you are modeling. Download it and keep it somewhere easy to find. Now, inside Google Flow, look for the agent option and select it. This is not the regular image or video tab. It is a separate mode that runs the whole batch automatically. Open the settings inside the agent. Configure your image and video settings and hit save. Drag and drop your character reference image into the agent. This tells it exactly what your characters look like, so every scene it generates stays consistent with the clone channel's style. Now go back to Claude and copy all your image prompts in one block. Back in the agent, type insert all scenes, then paste all your image prompts directly below that and hit send. The agent now generates every single scene image automatically, all together, while you do nothing else. Just let it run. Once all the images are done, click the 3 dots on each one and rename them by scene number. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3. Then download them all in order. Now, start a new project inside Flow and drag all your numbered images in at once. Then drag them into the prompts box. Go back to Claude, copy all your video prompts in one block, and back in the agent type insert all scenes again, paste the video prompts below, and hit send. The agent will show you how many credits it will use. Click approve and watch it animate every scene automatically. Quick honest note, the visuals only look as good as the style you decoded. Because we cloned a psychology channel, your prompts produce exactly the right mood. A lone figure in a crowd, a quiet moment of realization, soft cinematic lighting, real emotion in every scene. That is what makes this niche so powerful on video. If you picked a messy channel with no consistent style, that is what you would get back instead. When it is done, download all your clips in order. The visuals are alive. Now they need a voice. Step 6, the voiceover. The channel you cloned has a certain voice and energy. Your voiceover needs to match it. So open ElevenLabs, go to text to speech section. Then on the right side, pick a voice that fits the tone you decoded back in step 2. For a psychology channel, that means calm, warm, and reflective. A voice that sounds like it is sharing something meaningful, not selling you something. Match that feeling. Paste your script in the text box, then hit generate, listen once, and download the audio when it feels right. Use the same voice across every script so your channel builds one consistent identity, just like the channel you modeled. You have got the visuals and the voice. Time to bring them together into one finished video. Step 7, assemble everything in CapCut. Open CapCut, desktop version, and create a new project. Import your voiceover and all your video clips. Drag the voiceover onto the timeline first. This is your backbone, and everything else lines up against it. Then, drag each scene onto the timeline above the voiceover in order. Because you numbered your clips earlier, you already know exactly which one goes where, so there is no guessing. Now, Match the pacing to the channel you cloned. If their videos cut fast, cut fast. If they hold on calm shots, do the same. Trim each clip so it lands exactly when the voice does. Then bring the clip audio all the way down so only your voiceover is heard. Now, add your finishing touches. Add captions with a clean template. White text with a black outline reads well on almost any footage. Drop background music underneath the voiceover at a low volume so it supports the voice instead of fighting it. Then add transitions between each clip. Subtle transitions work best. Choose something like mix or black fade works great. Run a final preview from start to finish. Check your pacing and captions, then export in 1080p or 4K.
Have you ever noticed the person who handles everything alone? You tell yourself it's because you're strong, but psychology tells a different story. You weren't born this way. Your brain built this pattern. This isn't about willpower. It's about wiring.
And just like that, you have taken a proven monetized channel, decoded its formula, and produced your own video built on that exact blueprint. The script, the style, the voice, and the pacing. If you want to turn this into a full content machine and produce these videos in bulk, watch my NotebookLM bulk video next. It picks up right where this one ends. And drop clone in the comments with the niche you are cloning, and I will reply with one thing to look for before you start. Subscribe to AIPreneur, and I will see you in the next one.